Hello, welcome to the course of Tekla structure. When you open Tekla, this window appears. Trimble, the name of company, and Tekla structure, the name of program. Choose your Tekla structure setup. Firstly, the environment. What's the environment? I will choose the default environment. You can install any environment, France, UK, United States, whatever. You can install and choose. Okay, now I will choose default environment. What is the role? Concrete contractor, engineer, general contractor, precast, rebar detailer, and steel detailer. I will choose all role. And configuration, there are many options. Project viewer, drafter, project manager, engineering, steel detailing, developer. I will choose full. So default environment, role all, and configuration full. And click OK. The recent project, new model 1, new model 2, and new model 3. The name, what is the date, and date modified, and number of user 1. All models for model, and open model from a folder. You can open any model. Okay, click browse and choose the model, and you can click new to create a new model. New, what is the name? Place and see Tekla structure model. You can change. And what is the template? Blank or custom place sample model or engineering sample model, precast template for precast user, and steel template. Okay, and what is the type? Single user or multi-user? So you can choose single user model. Your current Tekla structure setup, default all full. Yes, okay. Notification, there are no notification available. Influence future development. You can participate in the program or no. Learn the product. Visit Tekla user assistance or discuss with other user of Tekla structure. Visit Tekla discussion forum. Okay, now create new model 4, and click create. Okay, now the program open. Click the grids, the axis X, Y, Z, and down select grid snaps. Steel, firstly, steel column, create a steel column. Beam, create a steel beam or poly beam or curved beam or twin profile or orthogonal beam. Plate, many options. Bolt, create bolts, create weld. Item, bolted parts, and assembly. There are many options for assembly. Secondly, concrete column, concrete beam, panel like wall, slab, footing, pad footing or strip footing, pad for column and strip for wall. Item, cast unit, and rebar. There are many options for rebar. Bar group, bar, curved bar group, mesh, strand pattern, rebar set. Click edit to edit any element, line cut, part cut, split, for example, measure, copy, move, copy special, move special, grid, to create a grid or add a grid line, points, on line, on plane, many options. View, what is the view list? View list only 3D visible view, can remove. Okay, click and show 3D. New view, you can create a new view. There are many options: flip a plane, work area, draw, work plane, rendering for components and parts, and many options: navigate, zoom, switch to 3D or plane. Drawing and reports. To create drawing list, drawing properties, create drawing, change numbering setting, reports, manage, organizer, class check, and finally the analysis design. Load group, loads, you can add loads: line load, point load, area load, uniform load, wind load, and temperature for analysis. Okay, and another program like Revit, the analytical model. Okay, so you can add the analytical model in the Tekla structure in this software. Okay, and export to Tekla Designer. Here's the toggle panel visibility, custom inquiry, properties, reference models, and application and components. Save, undo, and redo, and click to create new project. Click new, open recent project, save as, printing, open the model folder, import any file, CAD, DWG, insert PDF document, and export. There are many options. Sharing, project properties, what is the name, builder, object, address, designer, all data. Okay, you can add a description. Setting, what is the setting, what is the options, advanced option, snap setting, change language, and IFC object conversion setting. You can customize the keyboard shortcuts and ribbon. We will see soon. Click catalog, the profile catalog, and define a profile. So click profile catalog. There are many profile: I-beam, L profile, Z, U, CT for steel, and for concrete, L edge beam, T profile concrete. So there are many profiles. We cancel, and you can define a profile. You can click define profile and define a cross section in sketch editor, for example. So you can add any profile here. So you can draw and model. Material catalog, bold catalog, so many options. Editor, the drawing layout, the template editor, symbol editor, log, repair and help, extend, and finally exit Tekla structure. Now we click setting and click options. General, autosave after every 30 modeling or editing commands. Okay, the software autosave, and autosave after creating every 15 drawing. You can change the number. Okay, and click on unit and decimal. Modeling, length millimeter, angle, spring constant, factor, force in Newton. You can change to kilogram, ton, kilonewton, whatever any unit. Distributed load, if you want to assign load to element, for example to beam, distributed load, surface load, to slab, moment, distributed moment, temperature, deformation, what is the unit, and then catalog, what is the profile, section, dimension, angle, area. So all unit, material, strength, models, density, weight, strain. you can change. And finally, the analysis results: the force, distributed load, moment, temperature, stress, and deformation.